Ann Arbor T-Shirt Company is a screen print and embroidery shop located in Ann Arbor, Michigan, about 40 miles west of Detroit. We started in a dorm room at the University of Michigan in 2008 and have been adding friends ever since. In 2018, we retrofitted an 80-year-old machine shop into a cutting-edge print and sew facility, where we bring art to life for customers all over the world. We use top-of-the-line M&R presses manufactured in Illinois to allow our skilled printers to work extremely efficiently. That lets us keep costs low without compromising quality, which means we can sell good stuff at a reasonable price. We train and keep good people with an internal apprentice program, provide 401k matches, catered lunches, and healthcare. We think it's the right thing to do anyway, and as a bonus, it turns out that happy people make better apparel. We take a ton of pride in making good shirts with some great people. If you ever find yourself in our corner of Michigan, please stop by for a tour.